Hello everyone, welcome back to Wit Ryder. And today in this video, we're gonna talk about what is new in NodeJS 20.6 and 3 ways to use environment variable in NodeJS. So let's go to the website nodejs.org and check the news here. You can see this version was released on September 2023 and it's made a built-in function to support. We can make a environment variable more easier. So now let's try. You can see here it will recommend for us to do something like this. Before you run a node index.js server, we should to include a env file config. Okay, let's try it. Now I will create a I will install NodeJS npm. Okay, so now I need to create a index.js file and I thus console log process .env and I will have a variable that's a port. Okay, so now let's check it. You can see here we have to create a config.env file. So let's create it. In here I will put a port with, for example, 3000. And now when you run a NodeJS server, so should be include this file into your command. So let's try it. Node. Okay, so we have, yeah, you can see we got the environment variable that's port here and we got it, right? So let's try it with other one. It's not acid, for example, channel. Because in here we don't put any channel here, so let's see it. It's undefined, right? So now we define a channel variable. Type Wit Ryder. Let's try it again. You can see we got it. Okay, so this is the first way to make a environment variables, and this is a new feature of NodeJS. It's a built-in function. So now let's try with other ways that is included in command. Now I will remove this one and check it again. But we can include the variable in the command. Like this one, we have port 3000 and channel the 2 and run node. You can see we got the port and the channel variable. Okay, that's the second way. And the final way I want to talk about, that's use .env library. So now we need to install this library. Node npm install .env. Okay, we got it. So now come back to here and import. Before we use .env, let's try it again with run the NodeJS server without any environment variable. Node index. We have the result is undefined for both log, right? So now let's import require .env and config and rename this file to .env and check it again. In this file we should to declare port and channel 3001 channel is check Wit Ryder 3. Okay, let's see it again. We need to require .env and run the config function and create a new file that's .env and put and config it here. Okay, let's run it again. You can see we got the port and the channel variable. That's all 3 ways we can use to make environment variables in Node.js. If you feel this video is useful for you, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for spending your time with me and see you in the next video.